Hey y'all, this is Vic. Hey, welcome to my channel. Hey, got a little short video today, just doing a little cleanup and polish on some little safety screwdrivers, self-toting screwdrivers that 357 Magdad, man, was just super nice. Just out of the blue, just sent me these, and didn't have any. I've never used one of these screwdrivers before, believe it or not. I live under a rock, and anyways, man, they're cool, and they cleaned up pretty nice, and it's just real nice of him to do that, and I sure do appreciate it. So everybody that's watching me, I'm sure y'all all follow him, but hey, if you don't, you need to. You know, there's tons of people that help me with that push me along with this, and Mr. Doughboy, he always does, man. He always shares my videos. He's just super nice to me, and really likes I guess some of the stuff that I do here, and hell, I'm just surprised anybody does, to be honest with you. But he's just super nice guy, and go follow his stuff. He's very super talented, man. He makes all kind of little bells and stuff out of money, and just super nice guy, Mr. Doughboy. Anyways, I hope y'all all doing well. And you know me and my fat tongue, I just ramble and don't get much out, and nobody's here for the talking. So hey, y'all have a good one, and enjoy the video. Thanks.